Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 29. It is from section 1.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. Okay, in this problem, we need to evaluate the expression using the given value of the variable. And in our expression, we have the variable y, and our y is equal to 3. So wherever we see a y, we will put a 3 there instead. Okay, so we have 4y, and instead of y, we put a 3. Then we have plus 8 minus 2y, and so instead of y, we will put 3. We can do the multiplications, and so 4 times 3 is 12. Then we have plus 8, and then we have minus 2 times 3, and that is 6. Okay, we do the addition and subtraction in order, going from left to right. So we see the addition first, and 12 plus 8 is 20, and then we have minus 6, and 20 minus 6 is 14. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.